Building your own DIY roller sheet bender. Metalworking often requires specialized tools, and one of the most versatile is the sheet roller bender. It allows makers, welders, and hobbyists to bend sheet metal into smooth curves, cylinders, or rounded components. While professional machines can be expensive, a DIY roller sheet bender is an achievable project that combines creativity, practicality, and cost-saving ingenuity. Why build your own? Buying a commercial sheet roller may not always be budget-friendly, especially for small workshops or hobby use. A homemade version can be tailored to your specific needs, whether that's smaller sheets for craft projects or thicker steel for structural work. More importantly, building your own bender gives you a deeper understanding of how the tool works, materials and tools you'll need. A basic roller sheet bender can be made with steel frame, the foundation that holds the rollers in place, rollers or steel pipes, 3 cylindrical shafts typically hardened for durability, bearings to reduce friction and ensure smooth rotation, threaded rods, nuts, and bolts for adjustability and assembly, handle or gears to apply manual force. How it works. A sheet roller bender typically uses 3 rollers arranged in a triangular pattern. 2 rollers remain fixed, while the middle roller is adjustable, pressing the sheet down as it passes through. By gradually tightening the pressure and feeding the sheet multiple times, you can form precise bends and curves. Building tips. Start simple. Use thick steel pipes for rollers if you don't have access to precision machine shafts. Reinforce the frame. Bending metal requires a lot of force, so ensure your frame is sturdy. Add adjustability. A screw or jack system for the center roller makes the tool far more versatile. Safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when testing your design. Benefits of a DIY roller bender. Saves money compared to buying a professional machine. Customizable for your workshop needs. Great learning project for metalworking and mechanical design. Final thoughts. A DIY roller sheet bender may not replace heavy-duty industrial models, but it's a powerful tool for small-scale fabrication and creative metal projects. With patience, the right materials, and a bit of welding, you can build a reliable machine that will serve your workshop for years.